Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are diving deep into the life and philosophy of one of the most influential martial artists of all time, Bruce Lee. Our video is titled Beyond Boundaries, Bruce Lee's Visionary Approach to Fighting. Bruce Lee was not just a fighter, he was a thinker, a philosopher and a true visionary. He redefined martial arts and left a legacy that transcends generations. So let's explore how Bruce Lee's innovative approach to fighting broke barriers and continues to inspire martial artists and enthusiasts around the world. Early life and martial arts journey. Bruce Lee was born on November 27, 1940 in San Francisco, California, but he grew up in Hong Kong. From a young age, Bruce was exposed to martial arts thanks to his father, who was an opera singer and a martial arts enthusiast. Bruce began his formal training in Wing Chun under the guidance of the legendary Ip Man. His early training laid the foundation for his future innovations in martial arts. Breaking traditional boundaries, Bruce Lee was never satisfied with sticking to one style. He believed that traditional martial arts were too rigid and limited in their effectiveness. His approach was to combine the best elements of various fighting styles to create a more efficient and practical system. This philosophy led to the development of his own martial art Jeet Kune Do, which means the way of the intercepting fist. Jeet Kune Do was revolutionary because it emphasized adaptability and practicality. Lee believed that martial artists should be like water, able to adapt to any situation. He famously said, "Be water, my friend." This approach broke the boundaries of traditional martial arts, which often emphasized rigid forms and techniques. Philosophy and mindset. Bruce Lee philosophy extended beyond physical techniques. He believed that the mind was the most powerful weapon a martial artist could possess. His teachings were deeply rooted in philosophy and self-discovery. Lee was influenced by various philosophical schools, including Taoism, Buddhism, and Western philosophy. One of his core beliefs was the concept of no limitation as limitation. This idea encouraged martial artists to discard what is useless and absorb what is useful. It was a call to break free from the constraints of tradition and to constantly evolve. Lee's philosophical approach to martial arts was a significant departure from the norm and helped pave the way for modern mixed martial arts MMA. Innovation in training methods. Bruce Lee was a pioneer in integrating modern training methods with traditional martial arts. He was one of the first martial artists to incorporate weight training, cardiovascular conditioning, and nutrition into his regimen. Lee understood the importance of overall fitness and how it contributed to a fighter's effectiveness. He also used innovative training tools such as the heavy bag-focused mitts and the wooden dummy to enhance his skills. Lee's emphasis on physical conditioning and practical training methods influenced countless martial artists and fitness enthusiasts. Bruce Lee's visionary approach to fighting transcended the boundaries of traditional martial arts. His emphasis on adaptability, practicality, and continuous self-improvement revolutionized martial arts and laid the foundation for modern MMA. Lee's philosophical teachings and innovative training methods continue to inspire martial artists and enthusiasts worldwide.